Sa mga naghahanap po ng mas malaking lot area, this is 180 square meter. Baka ito na ang para sa'yo. This is located in an exclusive subdivision in Imus, Cavite, along Aguinaldo Highway near SM Hypermarket and Robinson's Imus. This is the powder room on the ground floor. The kitchen area with countertop